Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a simple scenery. We'll start by making a two-story house. For this, you have to make a rectangular shape and then a trapezoid for the roof. Next, we'll make another story. First, we are going to make a square shape. An upside down letter V. Then we will double it. Then we will make a circle and divide it into 4 parts. I am choosing rectangular shape for the window. You may choose square as well. Divide it into 4 parts again. Next, we are making a door, a circle for the doorknob, next we are making a tree, making a tree is very easy. All you have to do is make these curve patterns and your tree is ready. Here I am adding another branch, a tiny one to the left side. Next I am making grass. Grass is basically irregular triangles. So you have to make them of different lengths, and here no need to be very accurate. Next, we are making a pathway starting from the house door. Next, we are making flowers. Here I am making daisies, butterfly, I've zoomed it so that you can have a nice look at how it is made. We'll make another daisy. You have to make a circle and then make these thin petals. Then leaves and its veins. Now we'll start with the brick wall. We are going to make 3 layers of brick. Layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. Then we are making straight lines along its length. Here you can see the gap between two lines makes it a rectangle. Next, on the layer above it, where you see two lines, between them you have to make another line for making bricks of the second layer. We'll follow the same rule for the third layer as well. Next, we are making two clouds. Making clouds is the same as making trees, then the sun, and this time I am making triangular rays, and our scenery is done. Thanks for watching and bye.